Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at bearing exam questions. So this is the first question we've got. So we have this nice picture here and we want to work out the bearing of B from A. So remember, we draw our north line from the letter where it says from in front of. So we've got from A. So we want our north line from A, and this is very kindly already drawn on for us, but if it wasn't, we would want to draw that. So we've drawn our north line. We've also connected A and B together. What we're then going to do is go in a clockwise direction from our north line all the way round until we hit our line connecting our 2 points, which is here. And then our final step is to work out what this angle is. So we can see that they've given us this, so they've given us 40 degrees. And then we've also got a straight line here. So on a straight line, our angles add up to 180 degrees. So we can just do 40 add 180 to give us 220 degrees. And that would be our answer for question 1. So in this question, we have a couple of angles this time and three different points. We've got A, P and B. And we want to write down the bearing of A from P. So again, we've got a north line at P and we have a line connecting P and A. So we're going to start at our north line and we're going to go round until we hit the line that connects them both. And we know that this angle is 60 degrees. So the next thing we're going to do now is look at question 3. So in this question we have C is a town. The bearing of C from A is 50 degrees. Find the bearing of A from C. And we've got no diagram this time. If you're presented with a bearings question that does not have a diagram, my top advice would be draw yourself a diagram. So I'm going to write A and I'm going to write C. It doesn't matter if it's correctly drawn, just draw an A and a C. We're then going to connect those two together. And I'm then going to read my question and it says bearing of A from C. So I'm going to draw my north line at C. Now we have a bit of information. So the bearing of C from A is 50 degrees. So if we were going from A, our north line would be at A. So we're going like this. So that gives us that this angle is 50 degrees. But the angle where we want to work out is A from C. So that means we want to do our north line at C. And we want to go from our north line in a clockwise direction till we hit this line. And we want to work this angle out here. So to do this, we have the one we want, but we need to work out what the value of this is. So to do this, what I would say we should do is just extend these lines a little bit. And think, because now we've got two north lines which would actually be parallel. And we have this angle here. Now, if you haven't watched my video on corresponding and alternate angles, I'll link it in the comments box below. Go and watch that and then come back because this won't make much sense without it. But actually, this angle here is corresponding with this angle here. So this would be 50 degrees. We can do 180 minus 50 to give us 130 for this angle, which means to work out our blue angle, all we need to do is do 360 minus 130, and that will give us an answer of 230 degrees. So that's our answer.